These are from Hobby Lobby. I had not noticed these before. So I think we're actually going to be stenciling with paint first, just to give this a little bit of a background, and then we're going to be using, I think, this love. I may add a couple of them on here. Okay, and this is just one of the essential stencil brushes. So I'm just going to load up my brush and then basically take it right back off. If it seems like you don't have enough paint on your brush, that's okay, you do. You don't need a lot. Isn't that cute? So it's just, again, I'm gonna have a piece of lace going at the top, so it's just very, very subtle. I like that. Stencils, if you're not familiar with them, they come with 3 different parts of the stencil. You have your stencil, you have your backing, and then you have your Teflon sheet. And for sure we're gonna use love. Tear off there very easily. The backing sheet, you've got to be careful with those. Okay, so we're going to start, let me see here. Let's see. We could do more than one, couldn't we? Maybe the XOXO. Get your stones with the, you can get the stencil kit. You also get your little magic, what do they call it? A magic brush. The magic brush is for this portion where, you know, you can go in and put your dots on and do everything by hand. But with this one, you use your little magic tool and it's amazing. So let's see. I think I want to go with a brighter pink. So we're gonna go, what is that color? That one is fuchsia. And so you just wanna come in and just pour out. The more rhinestones you pour out, I think the easier it is, but that's just me. And then you're just going to literally use your little magic brush here and run them all across your stencil, and they'll just magically flip up. Now you may need to use your little applicator or your picker pen tool. I know it's hard to see, but you have your transfer. All right, so I'm trying to decide where we're going to do the you have it where you want it. Okay. Then I'm going to get my little Teflon sheet here and lay that down, and then we'll have our iron. Okay. Look how sweet. I do want to go ahead and get this on here. I kind of like the idea of the lips on there. Okay, let's do it. I'm going to go with that same color, pink. Got our lips and our love, and I know you can't see how sparkly that is because of this lighting, but so cute. Love the double hearts. Do y'all like the placement of it there? You like it at the bottom? I like the bow there. Okay. All right, that's what we're gonna do. I am going to actually use a little bit of B7000 and I'm gonna apply some heat to this. All right, so look how cute. So then we'll just add this right in the middle. So that's what I have for you today. I hope it inspired you. Again, the bag came from Hobby Lobby.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.